Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install CarStream on Android Auto to watch YouTube. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for the Android Auto Apps Downloader APK on GitHub. This is a third-party tool that allows you to install apps like CarStream. Scroll down to the download section. Choose a version and tap on the Release APK under Assets to download it. Once downloaded, install the APK on your device. After installation, open the Android Auto Apps Downloader and complete the initial setup. Next, look at the list of available apps inside the downloader. At the top, you should find CarStream under the Multimedia section. Select your preferred version and tap Install. If prompted, allow installation from unknown sources. Enable the permission, go back to the app, and proceed with the installation. After installation is complete, open CarStream through Android Auto. It will launch and allow you to watch YouTube directly from your system. So that's basically how you can install CarStream on Android Auto to watch YouTube. That's it for this video. Thanks.